Hey guys, welcome back to the Lawntism channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the icon to visit this video. Today I'm going to be reassembling the Echo SRM-210 that I took apart and cleaned in a previous video. I've really enjoyed this project and I've got a couple more that I'm going to do as well. You'll see those on my channel. Come check this video out and watch what it's like to put the SRM-210 back together and get it started.
Now I need to grease the cable that is inside the shaft here. So I'm going to pull that out, put some grease on it, as well as greasing up the gear head and stuff inside there. So to do that, I went online and purchased the big bottle of the Echo Red Armor lubricant. So this is the 8-ounce. It's good for gears, cables, ball bearings. I also went and bought the grease gun for the Echo. It's an official Echo grease gun. Part number is 91016. Comes in this little bag. Alright, so there's the grease gun. So essentially you just thread it in, and then this pushes a set amount in through the hole there. Now the tube here comes like that. So this hole, there's no hole in there. So essentially you make your own hole. And since I'm going to be threading it on, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it all the way off right there. So just screw the grease gun on. And there you go. You have your own little Echo trimmer grease gun.
Okay guys, that is the completion of the Echo SRM-210 project that I had going. So previously I've cleaned it up, we put it back together in this video. Unfortunately I don't have any of the gasoline right now to get it started up, but that's my plan. I'll show you guys that later on. I've got a couple more weed trimmers I'm going to work on. I've actually got some steels and another Echo. So those will be coming in a future video, so please look for that. Also, that means please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you guys can see when those videos come out. I've been watching a lot of videos recently on the YouTubes about engine repair and breaking down and building back up, and that's really piqued my interest. So I wanted to take these machines apart, clean them up, fix them up, rebuild carburetors and the air gaps on the engines and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for joining me on this little journey of my little passion of doing the engine repairs and getting these machines back up and running in near perfect condition. So thank you guys again. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Please support the channel and let me know what you guys like or dislike. See things that I can improve on. I really appreciate it. So until next time, we'll see you later.